figure more or less the Registrar General and the Electoral Office and PICA are to have a day-to-day business once there, once there is a registered certificate, right?
Yeah.
They are to contact the Electoral Office and then immediately is our name strike off the voters list.
Yeah. You heard the gentleman who called me a while ago who said he worked at the EOJ, and even with the death certificate, you still need somebody to swear. So the Director of Elections has committed, when the dust settles, to come back and to talk with us about the verification exercise, which has to be done to call the list.
Yeah, you mentioned about the long time inside the polling booth, and you mentioned some people don't have them ID, including yourself.
Yes.
Is it a matter of to check the efficient the poll people are you deliberately?
No, sir. Not deliberately. I just I must have 2 elections now, or 3. I just haven't gone back to pick up the new ID.
Okay.
Right, but the good thing is that they use the fingerprint system at my place, so that is good. So everybody who worried about fingerprinting, that is where we are now.
And you have a 10-year span. So the point is the shield. Yeah, as a presiding officer. And yesterday, the first I go inside the police station, present my ID, and I know what number my name is listed on the official voters list. Although the responsibility is the returning officer and the poll clerk check, right? And Mr. Shields, the return the poll presiding officer said must turn around me and I make sure examine my palm. It's the first me ever know that it's just a matter of principle.
Turn on your hand. What do you mean turn on your hand?
Like
if you beg something, or turn the back of your hand.
Exactly.
No, she did that to me as well. Because you have to check if there's any ink. Did she use that light?
No, Mr. Shields.
Huh?
You put your finger under the integrity lamp to prove.
Yes.
But when she said, turn around, let me see your palm. Right, and look. So me said, I was going to answer what the purpose. Because we never know said that as a matter of fact, I don't know if it's a change of manual.
No, I didn't.
Show your palm.
I didn't. I showed my palm and then the integrity lamp was used, but I didn't get anything apart from that.
No, well, me don't know about the palm, because me know say when somebody come, me check in them finger if they vote already and whatever the case might be, and if them do have them back, they buy the mystery them and then check with the black book and them things. The palm is the first I've ever seen that. So I don't know if it's a change of manual. And talk about the election result. I figure more or less, based on the local government election last year, I figure more or less, based on some division, stronghold, like for example, Miss Crawford, then lots of certain division within her constituency and other constituency. I figure more or less the pain.
Which Crawford? Which Crawford?
The one that in Mandeville.
Oh, Rhoda Moy?
Rhoda.
No, but this is the thing. Guys, you make a cardinal error if you use what happens in local government election for what is to happen in general.
No, I agree with what you say, Mr. Sheets. And this is what I figure more or less. The machine where the party figure more or less what because Mr. Shinalde, well, they say from you are 3 other people just like you, right? They're not talking about individual, because this is what happened. Because how many divisions she lost? All 4 divisions.
Yes.
Right? That's exactly what I'm saying. They were so confident that the result of the local government election would put this
cardinal sin. And this is why I tell you, man, it's on. You have to understand and completely mentally recalibrate depending on the election you're dealing with. And in fact, in retrospect, I think the local government election of February 2024, what it did was to serve as a massive wake-up call for the Jamaica Labour Party.
Labour Party, but it did not to the PNP because the PNP
the PNP's results last night were
that division,
Central Manchester. Okay.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, and the one in Trelawney and what. Because when you think about the margin, the 4 division in which the PNP won.
Yes, I got you now.
And when you tabulate it and them things there, might be more than 600 or 1,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why there was basing an answer where what if you win by, and take for example, Mrs. Vaz, right? I'm going to finish now. Mrs. Vaz, over 2,000 or whatever, and she overturned the by-election result, right?
Mm-hmm.
She won the last election where she contested, but I think it was over 1,000.
The 2020?
Yes.
About 2,000, but I'm not watching that one.
No. And he said the Prime Minister had not to go back to Miss Vaz because everything under lock and key, right? I was a bit concerned. I called a gentleman a while ago. I mean, yesterday morning, before the result, I said, Lord, man, I bet you. And the eve of the election, I think it was Saturday, I think it was Tuesday night, the Prime Minister in that constituency overnight.
Yes, true.
Because there was some, the riots are read and said, well, she shake it, so just come and see if you could get through. That's why I come to, spoke to my friend, I said, watch that.
Yeah.
It's going to change.
Yeah. Well, Buster, I think we really need some clinical analysis into that because the shock right across Jamaica as a result of Portland Eastern loss. I've not heard people across party lines debate and say was communicated about some shifting ground, which ended up in the result that we saw last evening. But we have to do an analysis of it. Thank you for your thoughts, Buster. All the best to you. 876-926-8631. Hello.
Hold on. Last couple of days leading to the election. Lord have mercy. Hey. I feel like you have to. Church sister.
Yeah.
Jesus, man, I'm deaf on the wire, yeah. A 4 phone, then give me this man in here.
4 phone?
4 different phone, me get them phone.
The whole of Hanover gone, whole of Westmoreland gone back to Comrade. Me not tell you.
Morning, church sister.
Mm-hmm.
I don't underestimate a woman of God. When you talk,
Mm-hmm.
In my phone away about church sister. When me come to my university, anything what talk from my university, me they look at me,
Mm-hmm.
You hear me say to you?
Word of knowledge.
You hear me say to you? Anything at all what me hear from my university, because that's what me learn everything. Yeah, so no know what else. You hear me say to you?
Mm-hmm.
So when you talk, I was looking, church sister. Me I tell you, I was looking.
Yep.
You understand me?
Yep, I could see that way.
I tell you a third term.
Yes.
I tell you a third term and a third term straight. I can outline them to you. As when you ask me, but I tell you, say, me see the third term straight. I remember, the first time when you asked me about election before it called, I said to you, if you quite remember, I said to you, say, my Prime Minister is going to lose some of his seats, but he's going to win. You remember that conversation?
I remember you talking third term, yes.
Thank you. You understand? And that was before the election call me a hold that conversation. But when I call you today, but me congratulate my cousin Heather Miller. Congratulate me, darling.
Yes.
And congratulations to the Prime Minister each and everyone.
Call the name of the leader of the opposition, and I am about to have a bit of a palpitation. Say it again, then, Miss Lucy.
I said, congratulations to Mark Golden.
It's true. Me not listen.
Not say congratulations.
Jesus, you set me up.
Michael Holness. He did not say that. Just like in the debate, Mark Golden wife, Andrew Holness and Juliet Holness has never called his wife's name in a mouth in a no campaign. How ruthless Mark Golden is.
All right. Listen now. Listen now. All right. We're going to have to build back this country, you know.
You hear me say? You have to, sister.
Yes, so let us...
Everybody else.
Let peace reign.
You went too far in the debate to call the man wife's name.
Let
the
peace
man has never called his wife's name. Neither Mrs. Holness has never mentioned Sandra name in her mouth.
That's yes, hold on a second. Remember that Mrs. Golding is not in public life, you know.
It doesn't really matter, sister. They could have talked something about her and said Sandra this, Sandra housekeeper. They could have said something.
But they can't say if it's not so. We don't know about that. And housewife is a...
No.
Hold on a second. I know what you mean. Hold on. And housewife is a beautiful help. You know, when God made Eve, he said to Adam, I'm going to give you a beautiful help. It's not helper. It's a beautiful help, which is a great commendation coming from the Most High. Let me take a break, Miss Lucy. Just sing a bit for me now, Miss Lucy. Yes.
Lord Jesus.
Yes. Sing something.
Sing this man.
Yes, man. I sing. Me want you sing. Sing.
So
you
sing. Want to stop me for what me want to talk about this
yes, just sing. Sister. Just sing.
No church,
that is what the Spirit is asking you to do.
Yes, but me not sing this morning because I go in and me distract and me have more things to talk about this morning.
Leave it. Let's sleeping dogs lie now. Sometimes we have it.
Sleeping dog lie?
Yes.
He never have to call the man.
You hear what I said to you? This is your university.
All right, let me go.
When the lecturer says, let's move to something else. Let us move.
I want to congratulate Sister Karen Cross, who vote Labour right for the first time in our life.
You went there?
Karen Cross vote Labour right.
Miss say if you went there in a polling booth.
Yourself, me get it. Karen Cross vote to Labour right.
Ah, Jesus. She said she would.
Congratulations to Karen Cross, our first time voting. Karen Cross choose Jamaica. Yes. And church sister, me come back down of my parish. When me go to the polling station, PD9, out of Lucy Christian Fellowship Church. Church sister, when Alex came me grow on the place to go vote, he had somebody in front of me and a 1 hour and 20 minutes to me vote. When me reach there, one man tell me, say, a man or a woman, not hour, yes, a woman. Say, over 9 somebody come out of line and gone. So they now wait. Sister, it's slow. He had somebody in front of me. He had somebody. Sister, they look at my palm. The woman look at my palm. And then he said me to turn my hand back.
Okay, yes, you had that.
Yes. And then they put one light now upon my hand. Then do it twice with the light and my hand. When me go mark and come back, then put the light again upon my hand. And then me dip in at the same thing. So
now the healing stream. You're dipping at the healing stream.
Hey, prosperity stream. Yes, sir. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Yes, need to lie down.
green pastors. Hey!
That is not the green that we talk about.
Holness.
Yes.
What a man.
All right.
Third term, young man. Church sister,
God.
listen to me.
Mhm.
I want to congratulate everybody. What are your mama Dalrymple?
No, that is a safe seat. That is that
Hold on.
she controls that seat.
Hey, hold on, mommy, they come now.
Mm-hmm.
What a weird. Look here, them better put the Rasta in the parliament, you know. What's your name, the Toval?
What's your name?
Toval. Feminists come and find England go vote for Toval, you know. Feminists come Tuesday and vote yesterday. Ministers go vote for Toval because out there living up there in a house.
Toval.
Ministers go vote for Toval. Me they tell them to put her in a parliament. Me say, and I don't what this is. Me need fly for England how much mile, how much hour, and go vote for Toval.
Then she find Toval's name on the list.
Toval let to go. Toval need to go in a parliament.
Then Toval was in parliament from 2020. She find Toval on the voters card.
What position Toval have over parliament? He needs to have a office and let me they talk about. Office.
Well, she can go turn clerk. Clerk of the parliament.
No, here Clark is going to be the speaker of the house. So put Toval to be the deputy speaker now.
Look how Heroy has controlled Central St. James, eh?
Hey, what do you say?
Yeah.
Head girl. Then I say head girl now go in.
Every election they say that about West Central. I tell you something, if these guys watch the politics, they wouldn't talk the rubbish that they do.
I tell you something, say. You see head girl mother? Head girl mother used to pray a warrior a Christian fellowship church in Geneva, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So all him mother gone home, him they pray for him same way. Mr. Head girl pass. Head girl pass in diploma in GLP. Hey, me they tell a man Jamaica love people. JLP. Jamaica love people.
All right, Miss Lucy, thank you for calling the name of the opposition leader for the first time.
Sister, thank you. They must put her in a parliament.
Who?
Second speaker.
Okay.
All right. Take care, your sister. Love you.
Toval.
Yes, they must put Toval in a parliament. She must be deputy speaker. Here I must be the speaker of the house.
Mm-hmm.
And she's supposed to be deputy speaker. Make her lax fraud like a female. Hey!
Like a fit. What about Damian Crawford? You know, see Damian is heading back to the lower house. You don't say anything about him?
Who?
Damian.
What they cost people, so?
No.
You know them kind of people there. He cost too much.
I thought you liked Damian Crawford.
Me done with him.
Why?
The boy was intelligent boy. The things and wine they say, me done with him.
When did he curse people?
He go to university and I'm a bigger done me.
When did he curse people?
You know you're not cursing people in the campaign. You not here, go clean out your ears. Get one feather.
All right.
Get one feather. You hear and clean out your ears.
All right.
Don't wait on the campaign all loose here.
Okay.
If the woman them, no sister, me done with him. You don't want to have anything to do with him again. You can't disrespect woman and you come for woman.
I didn't hear that. I didn't. Goodbye. Goodbye.
You people we soon send it on you.
Hang up.
You got yourself, church sister.
All right.
I love you, my husband.
God
Big
bless.
Fat, broad shoulder. Hey, small waist.
That is
leg.
Idris
hey,
Elba. Goodbye.
My sister,
All right. Hang up. Me couldn't cut her off. You okay? Anytime you hear a Jamaican say, you get the matches. It was a bruising campaign. It was quite bruising, belligerent, angry, mean, ugly. But thank God for grace. Grace is unmerited love. And if you are not at the place where you are embodying and epitomizing grace, find yourself there. because the command to us is 70 times 7. 70 times 7. Mathematically, that works to 490. But I don't think that was the message. To any mathematical precision, it was to say over and over and over again for healing to come. Grace has to be center. As tough as it is. This is the hotline. 926-2178. Hello?
Happy Thursday to you. Happy Thursday to you. Happy Thursday, good morning, Michelle. Happy Thursday to you.
Hi.
I wish you could help me to sing a song.
Who is this?
I gotta give you my name.
Yes.
Tom.
Tom.
I'm calling from the Cayman Islands.
Oh.
But
yes.
There's a song.
Mm-hmm.
It said like this, he was there just in time. I want you to sing it for the Prime Minister. I am listening.
But sing some more, let me hear. He was there at the cross for me?
Just in time.
Nailed to the... Just in time? But you have to sing a little bit more, Tom, so I can catch it. Sing a little more. I'm not going to listen to the rhythm. I'm just going to listen to the words. Just sing it. Let me hear.
I don't know much, but I listen to it. But
go ahead.
I like the first part. They say, he was there just in time to rescue me.
Oh, to rescue me? Yes?
Yes. I want you to look it up and sing it for the Prime Minister for me.
Just in time to rescue me. What the chorus say? What the chorus say? I don't know it, you know.
I think that's why it
yes. But this does sound like a Jesus. It's a Jesus song. It's not a Prime Minister song.
No, then hold on. Then the whole we no belongs to Jesus.
Yes.
I see your big friend no sing for you, but is that pity me never gone through the whole life song to sing for you?
Yeah. Well, all right. I will find it. If we're playing it for Jesus.
Yes. But,
then we'll find it. But Tom, you're in Cayman Islands. You're Jamaican, obviously. Tell me how you watch the elections and your thoughts on it.
Well, it was very nice.
What you mean?
It was very nice because I know it is. I was telling a friend with the turkey and the rabbit. They were having a race, so the rabbit run ahead and believed that he would win the turkey.
Mm-hmm.
But then now he went up the street now and dropped asleep, and the turkey took him a little time and passed him.
Mm-hmm.
And reached the front of the line.
Well, I don't know if nobody fell asleep in this, you know, Tom.
No, I know, but just you understand me?
Yeah.
So the Prime Minister will come through, man of God. When God love you, there's nothing can go between you. You understand me? When God give you something to do, share it. Don't find no fault with it. Just share it, and you will come through.
Thank you for the call.
Right. I'm going to send down Mr. Golden ticket to Miss Lucy.
The ticket?
Yeah, the plane ticket.
To go where?
Back where you come from, man.
He was born here.
He born here in a year, Prime Minister say. And some people take it the wrong way.
What?
Being born a Jamaican, you know, must be a Jamaican, you know.
What is it?
You know, care for nothing down there.
Well, I don't think that's what he said. But why you want to send Mr. Golding to England?
Yeah, then a white man.
As is my husband, and I'm happy to have him here.
No, you will take one away. Take somebody else.
Eh?
Take somebody else.
So if you married again?
Yes, man. I send to Ninja Man. Ninja man, not glad to you.
How there's a time drunk, but I'm no fool. What kind of time this you call me? Goodbye.
Have a blessed day. I love you.
So if you take Ninja Man, real informer. Take a break.
Start your journey with a JN Small Business Loan with Small.
For the good of our nation.
Thank you, listeners. We're back with you on the hotline. 876-926-7615. It's 12 minutes after 11. Good morning.
Emily boy.
Craighead.
Emily boy, yes, Emily boy, there you walk one.
What me for do with me, boy? Hey.
Give me the time, let me turn on your if I breathe, but what I do?
I must say, you alone have breeze. Not a breeze on the
breeze nice, the breeze nice.
Mm-hmm.
So what go on, church sister, everything good?
You tell me.
Everything good, man, everything good, church sister, everything good, man.
Craighead, come out.
Look here, you remember when me did tell you about what did happen already?
Where did you tell me again?
When Calvin Lynn did win.
When who?
Calvin Lynn may win.
Calvin Lynn.
Mm-hmm.
That a win.
You know, remember when me did, you know, remember so me did tell you what the riot and city they go on the people but no people house.
No, sir, me no remember that.
Me tell you, man, you look like you head that take water, you know.
They almost take water.
Oh, you go,
tell me again.
If you go take water, you know live near against River Lakami.
Tell me again, man. Sure.
Me not tell you again, man. Me been tell you say. Remember say at 33 year the shot there.
About that.
33 year.
Mm-hmm.
I one problem me have with him after me road way number fix.
Where for your road there again?
No, Craig. No, when you
Craig.
Hectares River Road in here, man.
Hectares River Road. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
the lady did come to look for the road, you know, me did tell you already. But
you tell me, but you never
come down here.
She never come down for your part.
No,
Mm-hmm.
he never came down here, because rain did fall hard today.
Mm-hmm.
He did come too late too.
Mm-hmm.
He did come late, but me no meet him yet, you know, but make certain say, no, anyway, them you find him, you know.
A lie.
Anyway, them you find him. Don't you turn up for last night, you know, master?
What you mean turn up?
Lord Jesus Christ, that's how they don't sleep.
Eh?
Sleep where?
They must celebrate.
Boy, what you talk about, man? Me have to take cotton tough me years for no day.
Mm-mm. Everybody
Yeah,
keep dance down there. Street dance I keep.
Me say then that 4 road for last night, a little while then gone a Christiana.
Mm-hmm.
Remember say one 4 road up there, say no?
Me no know it down there. Me have
Yeah,
to
man,
come
one
down there
4
one
road
day.
did it, man. One 4 road did it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, one 4 road did it. Then did the whole night, then gone a Christiana, they know.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Tell me something. Me hear Raymond Price saying come from Craighead.
Where did he come from?
You know him?
No must know Raymond Price come from Barn up one place, that's what they call him Mother Flow.
Ah.
Me know him good man.
Come me hear him say it. Me say me need to ask Emily Boy if you know Raymond Price.
Yes, man, me know Raymond Price, man. No must man no right up there, so which party in Barn and go there, so man, no Mother Flow. Up there, Mother Flow.
Yes.
Up there spring there, you know.
Okay.
Up there spring there, man.
Yeah.
Where they run water pump for that they spring. Most of who that create have water, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, most of who they have water.
Mm-hmm.
Me know him good man.
Okay,
Know him
nice.
father, know him mother. Me know everybody for him.
Mm-hmm. Because me know a small community there, so everybody's
Yes, man,
supposed
me
to
know
know
him.
you.
Man, me know good man.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Him lose over East Central. Him lose East Central.
Let me just eat up some banana and scrape back.
What is the script back again?
You know, pork.
I don't know why I ask you what meat, because it's only one meat you eat.
Then me can't trouble beef again to a pressure. Me did love beef soup, you know, man, with left man cocoa in it, you know, and breadfruit and white dumpling.
No
But
cornmeal.
me can't trouble beef again.
No.
The beef and the pressure, no friend, you know.
Me never know
If
that.
me no hypo, if you know, me no there so I talk to you, you know.
Me know that. You disappear.
You have to have the pork feet.
So, what you call the pork? Scrape
Scrape
back?
back.
What you call it scrape back?
Scrape back. A long story, man, and maybe me credit not all for.
Oh.
Me make one whole heap of calls for last night,
I mean, never check the credit.
Oh.
You know, so if I may talk to you for me credit, never done it, you know.
Never done. Unlike
Never
some
done,
other
but
people.
Me never check up on it. So, me a long story. One at a time, me will tell you what I go on.
Scrape back one at a time. All right,
Yeah, man.
Craig
But
Head.
you see so much rain a fall.
Mm-hmm.
You know, must know say shower labor right, man.
Oh, what that it mean?
Rain not a fall, you know.
Oh.
You know, Miss Emily no call since morning.
She no call it because the whole of St. Mary, 2-seater St. Mary drop, gone back to PNP. Well, Central we expect.
Miss Emily no get through yet, man.
Eh.
Only hope Miss Emily. For member say Miss Emily and Miss Lucy no top tell you say a third term, you know.
Yes, them did not tell me so, but...
Yeah, they no top tell you say a third term.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so me do everything blessed that morning, yeah. Me
All right.
Go only place there, so me go eat little food, you know, me I go back up there, so now go wrap up to Yama, sit down on the tree, the easy myself, so bless up Miss Emily there.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself, bless up DT, bless up Miss Fuller, bless up all of me hotline listeners, them right across the world.
Yes.
Up in a New York all about.
Jesus.
Bless up individual in Pierman there, for Malta, they make me get your phone.
Yeah.
He might listen hotline, you know.
Eh.
Tommy, yes, man, he might listen hotline. Good man.
Everybody has to listen to
anything
that.
where you want to get your phone, you have to the Emily boy, you have to get.
I forget it.
You have every party chiller. Bless up yourself, church sister.
Bless up yourself. Thank you for the call.
Yeah, man. All right.
Script back. 926 2178 876 926 8631. I'm coming to 2178. Morning. So sorry about that. 8631. This is the hotline. 8631. Morning.
Good morning, Miss Shees. How are you?
Not bad at all, Mr. Parkinson.
Yes, man.
How are you? Yes, I know.
Mrs. Sheila called this morning just to congratulate the government on the winning of the election, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Anything else what you make of it?
Well, yes, it was, call it this way, it was peaceful, so to speak, compared to other years that gone before.
Peaceful, yes.
Yes.
Peaceful but nasty campaign, really.
Go ahead again, I never hear.
Peaceful but nasty campaign, some tough things,
I know. You know, one thing I want to know, Mrs. Shield, I want, like how the government turn a new peel, so to speak, I want to see certain people go before the court. Yes, ma'am. Long time now.
For what?
For crime that they committed. I'm referring to the former Minister of Education, Ruel Reid, ma'am. It's a long time that man supposed to go before the court, you know, Mrs. Shields.
No, so well.
Yes, man, we're waiting on it. Long time now.
Right.
Long time. You're not going to wait till in time and next 5 years come and gone again. And, you know, I want to see that man go in front of the judge. Trust me.
He's been in front of a lot of judges. A lot. He went, the last decision, I believe, they were challenging some aspects. I can't recall now because there were so many different layers. But in the last decision from the Court of Appeal, the Court of Appeal sent the matter back to the lower court for the trial to start. Yeah?
But
we cannot, but one of the things we have to be careful of, Mr. Parkinson, we cannot in the wish to have justice, we cannot take away the right of any accused man to use the judicial system in whatever ways he thinks he needs to use it.
Yes, I understand that.
Right.
I understand.
Right.
I understand. But here and then, you know, I don't know in Jamaica why the court ever have some case of it drawn out so long, you know?
Yeah.
You know.
Well, the trial's supposed to start. That is what I recall. I'd have to check with Mr. Wildman for him to remind us of the different layers that it went through and why it hasn't yet started.
You'd like to use a lie. I guess you can't do that, Mr. Sheep, and let the people know. Because we don't know. Me normally complain say Jamaica justice system it's not ready. That's what me normally say, Mr. Shield. Trust me, man. You know, it has been drawn out too long. 2 cases that just recently finished in the court, all doing the work in the victim family's favor. I mean, it drawn out too long.
I don't know what that means. But if you look at the Vibes Cartel matter, for example.
Mm-hmm.
The matter, I don't remember what year it was that this guy Lizard went missing. And then they charged Cartel and all of the others.
Mm-hmm.
There was a trial which lasted a marathon time in the Supreme Court. It went to the Court of Appeal, and before the matter finally ended, Cartel had served 13 years.
Yes, yes.
So when you talk about long time, you have to bear in mind that there are different layers of the court that accused or convicts, as he was, they have to await. In the case of Ruel Reid, is in this how many years now is it that this thing happened?
Well, it's a long time.
A little before the 2020, maybe 2019 or so.
Yes.
Yes.
So, yeah, to that effect.
Yes.
So,
so, anyway, thank you for your thoughts. Yeah, and I'll see.
okay, Mrs. Steele. Okay.
Yeah, I'll try and remind myself where that matter has reached as well. Thank you, Mr. Parkinson. The last report on that. I will find it and pull it up. 9267615. This is the hotline. Morning.
Hello? Hello?
Wait.
Jackie, see my friend here. You see me say me try call her? Come in our number, you think say me they hide from them. Let me come out of the noise. Hello?
Wait, who is Jackie?
Who's Jackie? One labor right like you, man. Who's Jackie?
Let me talk to Jackie.
No, me have to come out of the noise. Me have to move.
I don't wish to talk to you. Let me talk to Jackie.
Yes, me send go and call her.
Like you think I care what name or label you give me. It's a good thing that my self-esteem is not built on you, nor is my ego shaped by you. I couldn't care less.
Then me not care when you tell me some ridiculous idea. I couldn't care less.
Oh, any day I wanna start listening to my truth. Any day the truth becomes palatable to you.
What truth? What truth?
All of them. All of them.
I mean, you can't win pan corporate and defend the corruption and the slackness of the country.
Well,
the pop down health system and
if that's what you think.
Or you have to have somebody out there and investigate, and it is not a concern to anybody.
Forget me.
Sure.
Forget me. Speak to the 413,000 people. That's what you need to speak to. Forget me.
Sure.
Oh.
And the truth, you know, Miss Cooks, I'm money. I'm money swing the election yesterday. Money swing the election.
Okay.
And he never they hide.
Oh,
nobody never they hide.
You said the same thing 2020.
Hold on. So Jackie, I'm coming.
Yeah, let me talk to Jackie. I'm not interested in talking to Silver Fox.
She don't want to talk.
Me want to talk to Jackie Chang.
She don't want to talk to me.
Me want to talk to Jackie Chang. Me don't want to talk to Silver Tix.
Hello.
Jackie?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
Tell me your thoughts on the election now.
It was good.
Why?
That's what me want. The only thing, problem I have is my MP lose.
Who is that?
Eastern and over.
Okay. Bro. Yes. What's your name? Perkis?
Yeah.
Yes. The Hanover, that seat was always going to be tough. Yes. So you lose all of Hanover, you lose all of Westmoreland.
Yeah.
So you didn't see that wave coming?
No.
No.
Why you don't want to talk to coverage?
I back and belly rat that.
Come on, and you are belly and back. You are belly and back. Your party are belly and back. Let me tell you, Miss Cooks. Congratulations to you and your party.
Look here. You're not going to continue doing this, you know.
Miss Cooks.
You're not going to continue doing this.
Miss Cooks, the whole way, all right. You're not labor right, you have a bias.
Oh.
The whole way. You're not labor right, you have a bias. Everybody knows me a PNP. I mean, never hide it. Me, a PNP. On radio, after radio, in my house,
you guys start listening to me.
I am a PNP.
Any day you no start listening to me.
So
Trust
why
me.
you tell us I should listen to you, Miss Cook?
Everything what me say.
So
Any day.
you think that if people that carry 40,000 or 50,000 come give you're not going to take it and go vote?
Yeah,
Poor
but
people?
every year, election year, for the last 3 elections, you come here with the same information. And I said to you,
Miss Cook, allow me to tell, man.
no, listen to what I'm saying.
Talk to you, and allow me
Well,
to
don't
tell,
call
man.
me. Don't call me Silver Fox.
Allow me to tell.
But let me tell
people talk, when we must listen to your truth. But to the truth, you know what?
No, but hear what I'm going to say. Hear what I'm going to say. In this day and age, every jackman and them dog have a cell phone or 2. And you are not able in 3 consecutive elections to bring out video and post on social media with money being exchanged. And we must just come take your word.
Miss Cook, you know, I have to take my word. Because guess what? Me see it yesterday. But you know what me say?
You know video it.
Let me tell you what me say. Make people them stay. Because I know them be disappointed because them the people always are sell them vote. Outdoor agents yesterday.
You bite before. You bite in a 2011.
Hold on.
You bite when I say that.
You know want to hear from me true. No, we vote out you and Dudus 2011. Dudus for the whole on when they support. We vote for visa because we never want America to take away visa.
Yes.
That is why we vote you out and vote out your party. 2011. All of you voted for all of who want a visa, then go out to go get rid of Bruce and Dudus. The president.
Ain't that the
we
problem?
Vote against the president. And you know that. So come back to, let me finish with yesterday.
Every election you come with this something and don't have any proof.
Let me finish with yesterday.
Finish.
I saw it, but guess what? Everybody buy vote. Probably free money enough. Like, and if somebody comes, realize that my girl wants to be David, and me have the money, me they go buy it too. I said even this morning, the people who me come on this program every day, champion their cause, are them the people disappoint me. You have 8 nurses now and PD only 1 vote. Eh? And people say,
where were the others?
I don't know. 8 nurses now and PD and only 1 vote. And one of them work at Carnival Regional Hospital. Eh?
That fit tell you say.
But they have to sit down beside dead body and work beside dead body.
But what you need to go and speak to those nurses and find out why they never vote.
I don't need to speak to them.
Why not?
No, Miss Cook.
Because the silence is very loud.
No, Miss Cook.
Why not?
No. You have much teaching around PD and it can't be increased. It cannot be the increase.
But this is what I'm saying.
We talk about voter empathy is low. Is low. But I mean we have to find a way as a country now. Coming and go bash nurse and teacher and as a country. So people need to start voting on issues.
Yeah, but comrade,
we're not gonna move forward if we don't vote on issues.
No, you are framing the issues the way you are framing them. You have been lamenting the long time it has taken for Cornwall Regional to be done and all sort. Maybe those nurses who work there, they see the reason the work is taking that long, and despite the delay and despite whatever the spend is, maybe they actually believe they're having beautiful infrastructural work that they couldn't bring themselves to vote. You ever consider that?
What I would never consider such
go
thing.
Go ask them. That's what I'm saying. Go ask them if 9 upon the list.
I would never consider such thing.
But that's what I said. This morning I said we have to begin an analysis and to try and assess what exactly are the people who voted saying to us, and the ones who didn't vote, what are they trying to scream in their silence? You have to do that. If you have 9 nurses, comrade, and 1 vote, and 8 no vote, with all the Malays you talk about in Cornwall, you need to go have audience with them. Let me take a break. Yes, comrade.
One thing me happy for though, me happy that me and me candidate get rid of the big holes done. Glad you see. Me not afraid now to call one MP name for radio. Glad you see.
Who is that?
He is no longer a member of parliament.
Who is that?
No must Oma Davis.
If you didn't win South, I don't know what would happen.
Pardon?
if you didn't win that seat back, then something would be fundamentally wrong.
Why?
It is a PNP seat.
Then the last time you say, you can't win it in a comrade. Oh my, solid.
Who's that?
Solid, you know.
Listen.
Then I want to. I saw then show up on him.
This is the problem, that the analysis. Yeah. Anyway.
Mm-hmm.
You need to just study what has happened and what didn't happen, and it will tell 1,000 stories.
Miss Coach, me study and everything we can talk on radio, you know. So one day
talk, we good for talk.
One day
you not see me. How much time you see you from me band? About 4 times.
I'm not think more see again okay I eat then.
Why do the Eden red?
Me don't know.
Oh God, look at me. What me do you comrade?
Eh?
Why me turn hidden?
You defend too much a labor right nonsense.
Oh God.
Oh God, if God went on like a man flowers now grow up on maca tree.
Let me tell you something, man. I am so comfortable with the truth that I speak. Yes, unpalatable many times. But me keep telling you, you know, I'm not looking for anybody to say that Emily is balanced. Because what you want to hear is when I say JLP did this, but PNP also do this. I am not faking balance. I fake nothing. When I'm dealing with the news of the day, I deal with the news of the day and I put the relevant information as I deem it. But any day you start listening to me, trust me, when me tell them to say, both political parties want to fear much better. Because my truth is unvarnished and it is real, it is not unpretentious.
Okay, Miss Crooks.
You need to accept it. Goodbye, Silver Fox.
I'm glad me give you the big hold on.
Goodbye. And you have the big Horace Chang, you have the big Malahoo Fort, the big Ed Bartlett,
50, 40, 40 and 50,
the big Hirai Clark.
40 and 50,000. Chuck. 40 and 50,000. Chuck. 40 and 50,000. Mark gold in white. And black people have black people 40 and 50,000. Chuck. Have a good day, Miss Cooks.
Bye, Silver Fox.
Bye.
Next time, bring Jackie Chan, come talk to me.
Back on belly post.
Bye. Don't call me back. Oh, God. Thank you, Jesus, for grace. 876-926-7615. Hello. This is the hotline.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. Who is this? You're on the hotline? Huh?
Kata.
Kata?
Yeah.
From where?
St. James.
Oh?
St. James.
Yeah. This is my JPS man.
No, man, you don't know Scatter.
Yeah, but your voice sound like Bobo.
No.
Yes, the voice sound like Bobo. Where in St. James you are, Kata?
Flower Hill.
Flower Hill, this is where again?
We don't drive fast.
No. Okay, so this is which constituency again? Who is the MP down there? Who? Okay, that's Northwest. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. So what you call to tell me now, Scatter?
Well, you see from the Prime Minister, Mr. Holness, Mr. Chang, Bartlett, Desmond Mackenzie, Malahoo Fort, and quite a lot more. And all the support of the JLP. Every single one of them are Jankro.
Why would you say that?
Every one of them are dog and Jankro. They've burn up.
Okay. That is the sort of thing we can't accommodate, Kata. 9268631. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Shield.
Hi, who is this?
Good morning. This is Anthony.
Anthony, welcome.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, what you have to tell me
Boy,
now?
I'm really happy to hear you on the radio.
Yes.
It's always a pleasure.
Yes.
Yes, and thanks be to God.
Mhm.
Two things. I think you said one this morning, which I was thinking about, and something else I was thinking about also. One is, let me go to what you said first, is about the numbers and numbers versus percentage.
Mhm.
For a long time, I have said, and if we move from politics to the education system, for example, there is a school with a grade 4 students. They have maybe 20 grade 4 students. 20 grade 4 students.
Mhm.
Another school has 40 grade 4 students. Another school has 10 grade 4 students. Now the 10 grade 4 students all got mastery in their grade 4 paper exam. There's a report goes out about that 100% of the 10, the 20%, maybe 10 of them got, and you hear they got 50, the 40, maybe 10 of them get it, and that's a lower percentage. But the 100% is for 10 students, and the percentage of the 10 is seem greater than when, let me not say for the 40, maybe 20 of the 40 students got mastery, but that's still 50%.
Right. So the larger the denominator.
Right.
A large denominator and a small numerator will always give you a low percentage.
Right. So when we look at things based on percentage voter turnout, as you rightly look back at a number, I don't remember which year you said it was.
Yes, from 1993 come all the way up. In fact, if I go back to 1944, which I have, it is the same story.
Right.
Yeah.
So when you go to those years, and I think it was 200 and something persons voted for the PNP, and it was what, 50 something percentage turnout. I don't want to quote you wrong, but something to that effect.
I'm not sure which year you're mentioning, but one of the points I made this morning is that in 1993, when the PNP won 52 seats and the JLP 8, and when the voter turnout then was 60.28%, the PNP last night got more votes than it did in 1993 when the voter turnout was 60.2% and when it won 52 seats to the JLP's 8. And all of that is by reason of the number of electors on the list at the time.
Right.
So the issue that you raised concerning the percentages are not in themselves wrong.
No,
They
wrong.
can give a different picture of the actual thing if, as you said, if the number sometimes is not quoted along with it. Yeah. So even in the last results that the Ministry of Education announced about mastery, I remember the question was asked, how many students are we talking about who were entered for the exam this time versus those who did it last time, because the numbers do tell a picture and can tell a picture separate from percentages when percentages are quoted in abstract. Yeah, so I understand and agree with that. But yeah,
because when we are doing things, we're giving somebody a 100% increase in salary, one group 100% versus another group 2.5%. The 2.5% is a large group of persons. So how much money you're spending for that? The 100% increase for a smaller group of people, how much money you're spending for that? So we have to look at things, yes, as percentage, but look at the numbers and see where numbers matter, and don't just base your comments based on percentage, because the voter turnout this year might be more people than in previous years when the percentage was higher.
Yes, and especially we have to call the list. So this argument about minority government, it needs to stop.
Yes.
Needs to stop when we look at the numbers, because perhaps our voting max is about 470,000.
Right. And
perhaps that is.
When we start looking at things the way you are purporting, and I am agreeing with it, and I also have been thinking about for years, that is how we should go. We realize that we become a people who become more analytic.
Mm-hmm.
We can analyze things. We can critically look at data and see how even to better our own lives.
I'll tell you something as well. 1944, when we boasted 58.7% voter turnout, we had 663,069 electors on the list. The JLP got 144,661. The PNP 82,000, and independent got 104,814. And even though independent got that number, they only won 5 seats. The JLP got 144,000 and they won 22 seats. The PNP got 82,000 and they won 5 seats. But that year, we set it up as big voter turnout of 58. But when the year when we had a national record in voter turnout, which is 1980, 86.91 national record for voter turnout. It was only 350,000 people who voted for the PNP. Last night, the PNP got 401,000 votes. So more people voted in 2025 than voted for the PNP in the national record turnout in 1980. The JLP in 1980 got 502,000, one of the highest voter numbers cast by electors in an election. 500. We have not had 502,000 votes, not from what I've seen in any. And that was because of all that was going on at the time.
And if I may go to one more thing, Mr. Shields, it just one quick. Well, there are two things, but in relation to this, when the government talk about 9 years no new tax, what does that really mean? That's why I say we have to think more analytically in all of these things that we do. So 9 years no new tax, that not mean a thing right now, because that become the norm.
All right. Let's talk again. I'm up on a break, though. Bless you. Thank you so much for the call, Anthony. When we come back, Money Talk.